Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the doors, your online accounts and credit. Change passwords now to long, unique phrases and turn on multi-factor authentication so a stolen password isn't enough. Once done, place a credit freeze or fraud alert with each credit bureau to stop new accounts. Call your bank immediately to block cards and dispute charges, explain why, and get a claim number. These steps stop further damage while you gather documents and evidence for recovery. Next, you compile your case so creditors and bureaus act fast. Gather ID, bank statements showing fraud, and a copy of any phishing email or text. File formal disputes with banks and each credit bureau, use their online portals and send certified letters for record, include dated evidence and a clear statement of unauthorized activity. Meanwhile, change passwords and security questions on all affected accounts, and review connected apps to remove malicious access. Finally, you restore your identity and set defenses to prevent recurrence. Ask bureaus to update reports and provide extended fraud alerts when applicable. This helps creditors verify your claims. Enroll in credit monitoring and dark web scans, and set bank alerts for large or abnormal transactions. If disputes stall, escalate to supervisors and file an identity theft report with the FTC or local police. This often breaks deadlocks. If problems persist, keep copies of all communications. Persistence gets results and prevents future setbacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.